Happy Friday!
Hello.
Hey, it's Casey
And Kara.
with Create Captivate. And we are going to start something new here. So we wanted to jump on live this morning and or this afternoon. What time is it? Gosh, where's the day going? We've been busy this morning. We attended a networking event, and then we did some brainstorming for naming a client's business, a brand new business.
Yeah.
So we've been working away, but we wanted to take a minute and jump in here. I hadn't actually in person on video for the world introduced Kara, who joined the team in August of last year in 2018. Yeah. So this is Kara. This is Kara
Hi.
Alexander, very talented graphic designer.
Thank you.
So I wanted to take a second and kind of introduce her to Facebook land. And also we're going to kind of tease something we're going to start doing on a semi-regular basis. We're going to do these 5-minute Fri YAY videos. So we're going to jump in here, Facebook Live, and we are going to talk about all kinds of different marketing and branding topics. Whether that's actually what it means to have a brand identity, or something about websites or social media or email campaigns, or an array
of services.
Basically going back to all the different kinds of services that we offer to our clients and how we can help. We're going to give you some great little nuggets to chew on of information, and hopefully just get out there a little bit more and share our marketing and branding wisdom with the world. So thanks for just tuning in for that. Oh, we have someone watching. That's exciting.
Ooh.
Yay. Hello, viewer, whoever you are. Oh, they're gone. So this is Kara, and I want to introduce Kara to the world. So Kara, thank you for being a willing participant in this
Always.
in this crazy idea of mine. So Kara's been on the team since October, as I said, or August, as I said earlier, August. And she's a graphic designer by trade. So Kara, tell us a little bit more about you and what brought you here.
So I graduated from Georgia Southern University with a Bachelor's in Fine Arts, a BFA, and I am a graphic designer. I got married in June to my college sweetheart, and he, after graduating from college, went into the Navy, and so we came here.
Yeah, and then we randomly
I was
we randomly
looking for
met.
a job, and I made a bold move and contacted all of the marketing companies, and that's how it happened.
Yeah, the rest is history. So it's been a really fun and exciting few months with you on board, and I've really enjoyed just having your skill set and your knowledge, and also just like this whole team dynamic thing.
I know, I love our dynamic.
We get along pretty well.
I feel like we share one brain sometimes.
Sometimes I feel like we're the same person.
I do.
Or we at least have parallel lives in some ways.
Yes.
But what it really offers to our clients is really exciting as well. So Kara's graphic design, she has a whole nother level of service to give to our clients when it comes to developing a brand identity, and helping with graphic design and anything of that nature. So tell me about your love for design in particular. What really kind of pushed you to go that route?
I've always loved anything creative, anything art-wise, and my art teacher from high school actually really noticed my love for it, my love of the marketing aspect of art. And that's what graphic design is using the tools of art and skill to market, whether it's yourself or a company. And she really helped me to even see that was a possibility in a career path, because
That's awesome.
I didn't know that
I
was
should
available.
write her a thank you note.
I wrote her a huge thank you note.
I really
email.
should. I owe her.
I wrote her a huge email thanking her, because if it weren't for her, I don't even think I would have known this was a path. And
Wow.
you know, I was me and my friend Corey were one of the only ones that didn't change our degree.
Nice.
Stuck with it.
That's really cool. So what is your approach? Because every designer has kind of a different a different method for creating. So tell us more about your approach to designing, whether it's a logo or it's some marketing collateral of some kind. Tell me more about what that looks like.
For me, I like to have a personal touch with it. You know, whether you're a creative person or not, you still have a vision. You have a vision in your mind, correct? And so for me, I really like to make, my whole job is to create your vision and make it come to life. And so asking all the right questions, being really there with the client, trying to bring their vision to life, you know, the color choices and the typography, and, you know, just making sure that what they want happens and comes to life, because that's the whole point of it.
Right. A lot of it is just that discovery process. So working on a branding project with Kara is a very in-depth situation. Yeah. You know, there are all these different platforms that people can go out on and get a logo or some graphics done for really cheap, really quickly.
Right.
But we're not in the business of fast and cheap. So we take another approach, and what Kara does is we go through this huge discovery process. And it's not a one-sided effort. So the client, we really want the client to feel like
Take the journey with us.
Yeah, absolutely. That's
Take
a great way to
with
say
us
it.
To make your vision come to life.
Yeah. So we go through this discovery process. A lot of times it looks like, you know, going through and finding images that are relevant, that we feel like are relevant, and just having conversations about them, commenting back and forth, and sharing our, you know, our loves, our hates, and our miss, like stuff that you just look at and go, I'm indifferent about that.
Or even the things that you thought, you know, sometimes the things that you think, oh, this is exactly what I want, and then when you see it, it's not what you wanted at all, or it didn't work out the way you wanted to. And so even seeing that, you know, and, you know, figuring out which path to go down.
Yeah, so it's a journey. I like saying it like that. I love that you put it in that phrase. So that's kind of a nutshell. I just wanted to take a second, introduce Kara to the world, Facebook land. This is her. This is my unicorn I found. So she is here, and we love doing anything brand identity, logo design, graphic design.
Oh, I love it. It's exciting.
She's got that nailed. So I just wanted to take a second and talk about that and introduce her. And then also, so this is just a little bit of a teaser. We're going to start doing some of these videos on a regular basis. And so we're going to talk about marketing, branding, and everything in between. So I hope that this is interesting and fun, and we'll keep it as short as possible so that you all can jump in here, get a little bit of info, find a little bit of inspiration, and have a fun Friday with us, because that's what we're up to today.
Yeah.
Fri Yay Friday, definitely. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need anything at all, just comment below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks, and have a great day.
Bye.